Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the file and tools. Open the folder where the RPA sits, then copy it into a separate working directory so you keep the original safe. Make sure you have 7-zip or WinRAR installed or a dedicated RPaddle. Newer versions handle compression changes. Next, inspect the file header quickly. This tells you if it's compressed or packed. Once done, decide whether to treat it as an archive or a packed resource, because that choice changes the extraction commands you'll run. Now perform the extraction step. If the file behaves like an archive, right-click and use 7-zip's extract here, or open it to inspect contents. You'll get assets, scripts, and usually a manifest. If it's a packed RPA, run RPaddle or the specific unpacker with flags that preserve file names and timestamps. That avoids corrupting binary blobs. As you extract, monitor for warnings about unknown formats. These indicate nested packing. Once the first pass completes, validate file size. Finish by verifying the extracted data and restoring usable permissions. Open main scripts or manifest files to ensure they're readable and that file sizes match expectations. On Linux, preserve executable bits. On Windows, unblock files if needed. If something fails, run the extraction again with verbose logging to capture errors, or try an alternate tool. Sometimes different unpackers handle edge cases. One troubleshooting tip: if files seem corrupted, perform the extraction on a clean virtual machine. That isolates environmental interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.